Just wondering how our babies are. There's babies. Hello babies. One was wandered away. Where have you gone to? So if I was bringing you some food out, you'd say hello, but they are both up there. Yeah, there's one. Hello. Very pretty bird, aren't you? Very pretty bird. Where's the other one then? Where's the other bird then? Right, we're going away now. Where's the other one? I've got to go down the garden to find them. So I've got to go down the garden. See if I don't fall over. Oh my word. Where have you gone? You're a funny lot, aren't you? Where's your... You were out here a minute ago. Till I brought the camera. Oh, there they are. No, there's both of us. Hello, very pretty. The shy birds. One there and one there. And then one parent up there.